Hey, new pickup time crew. Today we're stepping into a time machine with the poor 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air. That's right, Chevy's iconic nameplate is back, and it's blending retro charm with modern muscle in a way that'll make your jaw drop. Let's dive in. First, the design. The 2025 Bel Air is a love letter to the 1950s, but with a futuristic twist. Up front, you've got the classic chrome grille, rounded headlights, and that iconic hood ornament we all know and love. But look closer, and you'll see modern touches like LED lighting, flush door handles, and a sleek fastback roofline. The two-tone paint options, think mint green and white or cherry red and black, are a nod to the original, but with a glossy contemporary finish. And those 20-inch polished wheels? Pure nostalgia, but they're wrapped in high-performance tires for today's roads. Now let's step inside. The cabin is a perfect mix of old-school cool and cutting-edge tech. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with diamond stitching, and the dashboard features retro-style analog gauges. But they're digital now, of course. The centerpiece is a 12-inch touchscreen running Chevy's latest Infotainment 4.0 system, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 10-speaker Bose sound system. And check out the steering wheel. It's a modern take on the classic Bel Air design, complete with a chrome horn ring. Under the hood, the 2025 Bel Air doesn't mess around. The base model packs a 6.2-liter V8 with more 455 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. But if you're after something even more thrilling, there's an optional supercharged V8 that cranks out 650 horsepower. Enough to make this retro cruiser a straight-line monster. And for the first time ever, there's a hybrid version with electric assist, offering 30 miles of EV-only range and improved fuel efficiency. On the road, the Bel Air feels like a dream. The adaptive suspension smooths out bumps, the rear-wheel drive setup delivers that classic muscle car feel, and the optional performance package adds magnetic ride control and Brembo brakes for serious handling. It's not just a showpiece, it's a driver's car. Tech-wise, Chevy didn't skimp. You've got wireless charging, a head-up display, and even Super Cruise hands-free driving for those long highway cruises. Pricing starts at $65,000. But for a car that's equal parts history lesson and modern marvel, it's a steal. So, what do you think? Does the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air hit the mark? Or should Chevy have left the past in the past? Drop your thoughts below. If you're as obsessed with classic meets modern rides as we are, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We've got more killer content coming your way. Until next time, keep cruising and stay tuned to New Pickup Time.